Hey guys, welcome to the practice. In this section of the course, mind, body, breath, alignment, we're going to start to deepen the practice and lengthen out these classes a little bit more. So it's going to get a bit more challenging. I know you're up for it. All right, you're going to start to see some different combinations within these classes as well. For example, yoga and breath work, sound meditation and breath work. So this is what I love to do at Deep Space, is alchemizing these practices together in a way where it really makes sense and makes it transformational. So if you start to like breath work, for example, and you want to go deeper into the breath work practice, we do have a breath work course called the Breath Work Experience. Now this will go into many different practices and modalities, so it'll give you an opportunity to find what really works best for you. Now we also have an inner balance yoga course. So if you're liking the yoga and you want to go deeper into the yoga practice, we've got an inner balance course, and this is going to really break down the poses, the flow, the transitions, lengthen out these practices so that they are full on practices that I teach in studios and at my retreats. So I hope you guys enjoy this class and enjoy the rest of this program. This is an amazing way to go about it. You're doing great stuff. Keep it up, and we'll see you in the next video.